Hello guys, for today's video is gagawa tayo ng 8 inches woofer, na sound box. Sound box niya pala is nasukat ay 50 by 30 cm. Ayan na po guys, sukat ako ng bilog. 50 yung taas, tapos yung lapad niya is 30 cm. Pala guys, woofer 8 inches 500 watts at saka tweeter na metal dome is 100 watts maximum power. Nominal power is 50 watts, 9 ohms. Guys, wala tayong power tools kaya mano-mano ang pagbubutas. So yan guys, mano-mano lang guys, na update na lang sa susunod. Magbutas muna tayo. Thanks you.